a nagging cough that won't go away, headaches, breathing harder when you reach the top of the stairs. These symptoms may seem innocent, but it could also mean that you are one of the 228,000 new cases of lung cancer that are diagnosed each year. And after 5 years, only 19% of those diagnosed will still be alive. We are PepGen Tech, and we have the solution.
About 200,000 Americans are diagnosed with lung cancer each year. Chemotherapy and radiation are the current standard solutions, leading to reduced size of lung cancer tumors. After this, standard practice is to cut out the tumor from a patient's lungs during surgery. This is an initially viable solution, except for one word: metastasis, which is when a tumor-initiating cell breaks off and spreads throughout the body to create a tumor elsewhere. This is the cause of death in 85% of lung cancer patients. When the cancer comes back or spreads, it regenerates with cells that seem to be resistant to chemotherapy and radiation. That's where we come in. Our solution to this problem is PCS2. PCS2 is a lipid-based peptoid compound that binds to the foundational cells of a tumor at the site of origin or while spreading and kills them, leaving healthy, normal cells unharmed. By destroying the tumor's initiating cells, PCS2 prevents metastasis and can treat cancers that are resistant to chemotherapy and radiation, saving countless lives and improving patient outcomes by up to 100%. PCS2 can be used as a standalone oral treatment or for aggressive cancers as a combination treatment for timely effects. The future of cancer treatment is here, and it's called PCS2.
Currently, our patent has been through the provisional and non-provisional process, pending patent and soon to be FDA breakthrough technology. With the rigorous approval system the FDA has, we know we'll make our patent accurate, safe, and less overprescribing for our consumers. There will be three phases: drug given to a small number of healthy people to test the safety, drug administered to 100 or more people with a disease that is intended to treat, and rigorous testing on larger groups of ill patients. Currently, people are using chemotherapy or radiation for cancer treatment, and with that, there's a lot of negative side effects. For example, going back to the hospital very often can be tiring and time-consuming. Also, chemotherapy affects people differently, and some people can't take it the same as others. Chemotherapy not only kills the bad cells, but it can also kill the good cells our body needs. The drawbacks of these other cancer treatments are that sometimes not all cancer stem cells are eliminated. If not fully treated, this can cause future tumor relapse in cancer, and it can be more harmful, costly, and deadly if not treated the first time. Our patented drug lead therapy is cheaper and more effective than our competition. It's better, and it'll have direct cancer stem cell target to only impact the infected cells, thus leaving the non-infected cells alone. This cancer stem cell treatment will improve current cancer treatments, block metastasis, and improve patient survival rate.
We are currently raising $200,000 for the uses of beginning stage 1 clinical trials, finding a sponsor for our technology in the pharmaceutical industry, filing an investigational new drug application, and continuing preclinical trials. We have raised some grant money so far and used this money for in vitro validation that our targeting technology works, as well as to conduct animal trials. Our animal trials, aka preclinical trials, are ongoing as we are gathering as much data as possible to make sure that our therapy is cytotoxic to cancer cells while not affecting epithelial or normal cells. So currently our total addressable market is the 10% of non-small lung cancer diagnosis in the U.S., the $320 million that are poured into lung cancer research by the National Cancer Institute, and the 190,000 people affected by non-small lung cancer. The way we are entering this market is by working closely with UH Technology Transfer and Innovation and other accelerated programs around Houston area, attending national cancer conferences and technology conventions, as well as apply for government grants and continue to hit our fundraising milestones to get more funding to advance our drug discovery and drug clinical phases.
Our team consists of 5 passionate business students who are ready to change the healthcare industry. On our advisory board, we also have Dr. Gomika Udagama-Surya, a professor of medicinal chemistry and the inventor of our compound. Our other advisor is Dr. William E. Cohn, a cardiothoracic surgeon at Baylor College of Medicine and head of Johnson & Johnson Innovation Labs.